Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish eggs using an easy method. Preparing your own fish roe at home can be a rewarding experience, and it's simpler than you might think. We'll walk through a straightforward process that involves minimal ingredients and equipment. This method focuses on a basic salt cure, which enhances the natural flavors of the roe. Get ready to transform fresh fish eggs into a delicious delicacy in just a few days. The first crucial step is to meticulously clean your fresh fish roe. Begin by carefully separating the individual egg sacs from any surrounding membranes or connective tissue. Next, rinse the roe under cold, gently running water for several minutes, ensuring all impurities are washed away. Take your time to remove any lingering blood vessels or debris. Finally, gently pat the cleaned roe completely dry using clean paper towels, as excess moisture can affect the curing process. To truly maximize your KJ earnings, consider joining a guild or team. Group activities often provide exclusive bonuses, potentially adding 20 to 40 KJ per event. Investing in server upgrades or personal perks can also significantly boost your passive KJ generation, perhaps by 10%. Remember to log in daily. Many servers offer a daily login bonus, which can accumulate to over 100 KJ in a week. After the curing period, your fish roe is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully remove the roe from the refrigerator and give it a quick, gentle rinse under cold water to remove any excess salt. It's vital to then pat the roe extremely dry once more using fresh paper towels. Store your beautifully cured fish roe in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness and flavor, consume your homemade delicacy within 5 to 7 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.